Okay, good evening, good morning, good afternoon, welcome. Thank you so much for watching this on the replay. So we've got a little bit of a treat this evening. We have just done Marketing Review Live. We went for over 1 hour. So you're about to watch the highlights of this video. We've condensed everything down for you, so then you don't have to watch the full hour. But we looked at 4 different businesses, 4 different hosts all over the world. And we had a mixture of B&Bs and rental accommodation, property managers, you name it. And we looked at their markets. We looked at the website, we looked at social media, and we looked at Google. And my goal with each person that we looked at, we wanted to give 1 to 3 actionable bits of advice that they could do right now. Now, a really important thing to note here, you may discover, or when you're watching this back, me talk about a free 5-day training. Now, this training was going to be running from the 7th to the 11th of December. That's why I keep mentioning those dates. But if you are listening back on this and it is in March, then please do stay aware. All you need to do, look in the link, because in March, between the 8th, the 15th, or the 22nd of March, we are running another 5-day challenge where you can get heads on beds and increase your social media following. All you need to do for that is I want for you to just click on the link above and join us for our training as I kick the mic stand, and I will see you in that group. Thank you to the sponsors, Hostfully. Thank you so much for watching us back on the replay. Please click on the link below if you want to join us on this 5-day training. And thank you so much, whatever platform you're watching on, Facebook, YouTube, you name it, means a lot. All right, let's get on with this podcast episode. We're in season 10. If this is the first time that you have watched it, you have missed so many of these. Please do go back, watch season 9, Boostly Academy members. We showcase them. Season 8 is where we interview people during lockdown. Season 7 and season 6 is all about service accommodation, and we've got so many more. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I shall speak to you all very soon. We're going to start off with Charlotte, because I know Charlotte's with us. Instantly, what I love is that the profile page, the profile image here, isn't of the business, it's of Charlotte or Charlotte's team. Okay, so this is really key, and everybody should be doing this, but not a lot of people do this. When you have your Facebook business page, don't think that the profile image needs to be your logo. Please don't do that. You've got to add the personality behind your business, behind your brand. Okay? Don't hide behind the logo. Don't hide behind your business. We are in the most sociable business that there is, in industry that there is, especially someone like Charlotte, who welcomes the guest at every single step of the way. So when they arrive, because they will check out the Facebook page, the stats show over 75% of people will check out your Facebook page after the point of booking, then they can get acquainted to you and your personality and all of those things. And don't assume that your guests don't do that, because they do. They may not tell you that they do, but they do. So have that is key. A top tip in SEO, doesn't matter whether it's search engine, doesn't matter whether it's Google or whatever. The longer you can get somebody to stick around on your Facebook business page, then the more that Facebook will go, oh, this user likes to find out more about this business. And obviously, everybody now should have watched Social Dilemma on Netflix. If you haven't, go check it out. And the more that you are spending on the app, Facebook adores it. So if you can get more people to spend more time on your page, engaging with your posts and your content, then the more your business will be shown on Facebook. When somebody comments on your Facebook business posts, Facebook business page, try and do as best as you can to comment on the comments, because there's one thing that Facebook is really encouraging now, is its discussion. This is one of the key factors in more posts being seen by others, is discussions that is happening. So if somebody takes the time to comment on your Facebook business page post, try and take the time to respond. Now, I can tell instantly from looking at your Instagram who your ideal customer guest is. You are set up for hen parties or girls' weekend. You know, you have got a very, very, very clear customer avatar, ideal guest, as we call it. All right. When I come to here, I don't get that at all. You are trying to appeal to everybody. And because you're trying to appeal to everybody, you're appealing to nobody. So Elizabeth has been into business nearly 2 years now. She's got 7 properties. They are rental properties, mostly leisure. 2 people in the team. Average night stay is 3 to 5 nights. Which of the following best describes how you interact? When I'm on site, I try to interact with guests. So it's very handoffish. We've got a Facebook link here, which we'll get to. And again, let me know your Facebook business page. Put your Facebook business page in the comments if you are watching with me. The main problem that we have with the website is that people aren't booking now. Now I know Elizabeth has said that she needs a lot of help with the website, but as you can see here, there is a lot of good things with the website, but there's a lot of things that aren't done correctly. And again, I think that just to double back on what we said with Charlotte just a minute ago, the book now button needs to be here. Now, the first thing, let's just go and check what it looks like on a mobile first and foremost. So if you look at it on a mobile, now what do you notice? Everything is a little bit crazy right now. We've got WhatsApp, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram floating here. The rooms and experience is not where it needs to be. Mobile. So yeah, we definitely need a new website. We know that. But let me just give some real quick pointers. Number 1, make sure your website is built first. Get away from Wix. Come and get a WordPress website. If you want to go check out Boostly, boostly.co.uk/websites, let us help you. The main reason that I believe that people are not booking with you is that when they come onto here, you are giving them every single reason to leave. So this is something that I definitely want you to do. So number 1, your big takeaway, sort the website, get a new website. You can spend all the money in the world trying to promote and market it, but at the end of the day, if you're sending someone to your website, it is not sticky. You want to have a sticky website, something that keeps people. So what is your name? Sarah Townsend. She's got the Furze Farm B&B. I'm going to run a quick Google search. Location is England. All right, so what we need to be starting to do here is get your visibility, get yourself a better website. Have the confidence that when somebody lands on your website that they're going to turn lookers into bookers, and they don't get that right now. And again, they could be coming to stay in the area for a number of reasons. You're in a beautiful part of the world. I know exactly where you are. Utilize email marketing. Please do. You're not doing it. Nobody is from so far. And again, I can't see in the comments because my phone battery's died. But people are saying that they are not utilizing email marketing. And this is a message to everybody. So Alicia Borta, I believe you are still with us live. Thank you so much for sharing the video. And what I'm going to do, and again, I have not seen anything from you, so you haven't filled in a marketing review form or anything like that. We're going to literally go through this together. And I've got your website here because you very kindly put it in the link for us. Well, I'm afraid that if you're a business owner, you need to be documenting your business. If you just want to have a social media that is just friends and families, create another account. Create a total separate Facebook account that will literally, you will only give it to friends, very close friends and family. You need an instant book feature on your website. The reason being is that maybe 10 years ago, a customer would find your website, a customer would like your property, they would email, wait for a response, and then book from there. That's how Airbnb started. That's how the majority of these rental companies online started, HomeAway, etc. Make sure that when they click on book online, that they actually book online. Right now, all they're doing is filling in a form and waiting for you to get back to them. That's not booking online.